Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Parker from Math and Science. Today, we're going to do a small science experiment to show how important it is to wash our hands to stop the spread of viruses. So I know now more than ever, we've been washing our hands so much to stop the spread of the coronavirus, which is really, really important, guys, to keep our hands clean so we're not spreading germs on our toys and to our family and friends, and we're not putting germs in our mouth. So remember, the correct way to wash your hands is to wet them with clean running water and put on your soap. Lather your hands by rubbing, scrubbing them together with the soap. Get the backs of your hands in between your fingers, underneath your nails. And remember, guys, scrub for at least 20 seconds. And you can count to 20. You can sing your ABCs. You can count by 5s and 10s. There's lots of ways you can do it. And then rinse your hands well under the water and make sure you dry them with a towel or let them air dry. And by washing your hands like that, it will stop the spread of viruses. So remember, we've talked about a lot of times there are viruses and germs on our hands that we cannot see with our eyes. Remember, we've talked about that before. And when we come back to school, Miss Parker has some slides of germs that we're going to look at underneath of a microscope. So remember, sometimes our hands look super clean, but they're not clean. There's germs on our hands that we cannot see. So today for our science experiment, all you need is a little plate with a little bit of water on it, some antibacterial hand soap, a napkin, and some black pepper. The black pepper is going to pretend like it's our germs. So this is our germs. So we're going to sprinkle our germs all over our water. Sprinkle it. So now look at all those yucky germs we see on top of our water. So now Miss Parker's going to take her hand that I did not wash. I haven't done anything to my hand. I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to stick my pinky in the germs to see what happens. Let me take my pinky out, and what is all over Miss Parker's pinky? All the germs are all over my pinky. So I'm going to get a napkin and get all those yucky germs off because we don't like yucky germs on our hands. All right, and now my hand's all better. So now I'm going to take a little tiny bit of the soap. And I'm going to rub the soap all over my finger. I need to get my finger real soapy. And once my finger's really yucky and really clean and soapy, I'm going to stick it back inside our germs. And now what happened? What did the germs do, guys? The germs all ran away. And look at my finger. There's no germs on my finger. So all the germs went away once the antibacterial hand soap was on Miss Parker's finger, because the germs don't attract to the antibacterial. But when your hands are dirty and they're yucky, all the germs come to your hands and they stay on them. So that's why it's very important to make sure that you're washing your hands, guys. So remember to do this experiment today. It's super easy. You just need your black pepper, which is going to simulate your germs. You need your antibacterial soap, and you need a little bit of water. And remember, the first time you put your finger in, you're going to put in your finger that you have not washed. And the second time you put your finger in, you're going to put in the finger with soap on it. And you're going to see the unwashed hands, the germs are attracted to, and the clean hands, the germs run away from. So that's why it's super important to make sure you're washing your hands, because we want all the germs to run away from us. We don't want those yucky germs on our hands. So remember, guys, practice washing your hands and keeping all of your toys and all of the surfaces we're touching clean so we can stop the spread of the coronavirus. I can't wait to get back to school and see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.